Hello you guys, today we are doing a 5-minute get ready with me, which is my everyday makeup routine that I haven't done in a while, and I just wanted to kind of show you updated products that I use every single day. We're gonna start with rose water. You guys know that I am always on a hunt to bring you apps or products that I love that help me in my life and things that I truly feel will bring you value. I am super excited to share with you this last find that I have, and it's Blinkist. So first of all, thank you Blinkist for collaborating with me for this video. So Blinkist is an app I started using because I'm super passionate about sharing books with you, but a lot of the times real life comes into the picture and we don't necessarily have time to read books. Blinkist basically summarizes like the best info, brings you the facts from a book in like 15 minutes, and you can either read or listen. I downloaded 2 books that I already read, which is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. It's one of those books that you want to keep going back to every once in a while to remind you about all these like information that you consume. So I put it on, I do my makeup, I listen to it. It's literally 15 minutes and it gives me basically the most important points to remember. Because I've partnered up with Blinkist, I can offer the first 400 people a 1-week access for free. You go to blinkist.com/Valeria, and also if you are interested in membership, you're gonna get 20% off. So that's a little hack that I've been adopting into my routine and I really wanted to share with you. Thank you so much Blinkist for partnering with me, and now let's get to my 5-minute makeup every day. So I started with my rose water, and then I'm gonna put sunscreen. Super important. I'm sure you guys seen this on my Instagram. I've showed you this before. I'm using this Unseen sunscreen SPF 40. It's from Supergoop. It's like jelly consistency, so it doesn't leave any white marks on your face, and also it kind of behaves like a primer in a way. It puts this like film on your skin, which I really like. So I'll use this every morning before I start my makeup. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna move to my BB cream. I use BB cream in the summer. I like it the most. This is what I've been using lately for every day. This is Bird Bees BB cream. Has also SPF, but please don't fool yourself. If there's SPF in makeup, it's not enough. Make sure that you use a sunscreen even if you use makeup with SPF. This is the BB cream that I use, and what I like to do is with my beauty blender, I actually like to put rose water on it. It's my little hack. It feels like it hydrates my skin and it just makes everything feel better. So my facial lady has gone on vacation for like a really long time. Hopefully she'll be back soon, but because she left, my face is a little like all over the place. Recently I've noticed that there are days that I don't feel like too confident going out without BB cream or foundation. This BB cream has enough coverage to just settle down the imperfections and just make me feel a little better. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna use my RMS Uncover Up. If you noticed already, most of the products that I've been gravitating towards are more of the natural kind. I slowly started transitioning. Not everything is natural. I still use some conventional products, but I am gravitating more towards natural, and hopefully I'll stick to it after I have the baby as well. Okay, cool. And then once I put everything on, I'm gonna use this Lila B Flawless Finish foundation. I use it really as a powder more than anything, and I'll just apply it with my sponge that's soaked in rose water. Cool, that's done. To bring a little bit of color to this, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. Is that what it is? I usually use my Maybelline stick, but believe it or not, I still haven't purchased a new one. I finished already mine and I need a new one ASAP. But every time I go into a drugstore, it's like I get to the makeup aisle and I just get lost. There's so many things and I'm just like, I don't need any of this. But then I forget what I'm there for and I don't get what I need. I need someone to come with me. Okay, then I'll do my eyebrows. And my eyebrows have been, for the past like year, Total Temptation by Maybelline. Before that, I was using Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Brow Wiz. Does anyone notice any difference moving from a more kind of expensive branded pencil to a more like drugstore pencil? Because I don't know if it's just the branding or if there's actually like a difference. Sometimes I feel like my eyebrows look better before, but then I'm like, is it worth $30 every time? No. Okay, eyebrows are done, and then we're gonna move to a little blush. So this is by Coco Kind. This is basically a stick that's kind of multi-purpose. You know how I roll with that? It's a tinted moisture stick, and it's called, I thought it says MACABEET, and I was like, ooh, but it actually says MACABEET because it's probably have color from the beet and then it has maca in it. I was right. Anyway, so it's really nice on the skin and it's moisturizing and it has a little color, and that's more than enough for me during the day. So I'll just apply it on my lips and on my cheeks because it has olive oil in it, so it does give that glow. So if I usually will use a little bit of my RMS highlighter thing, I don't need it here because this is enough. I feel like you really can't overdo this one. Super subtle. Okay, and that's basically it, to be honest. Today we are shooting a few things, so I am going to use mascara. Real celebration today. This mascara is by Nude by Nature, the Allure Defining Mascara in black. I love this mascara, by the way. Okay, this is it for my everyday 5-minute makeup. The only thing that I'll add is dry shampoo. This is from Briogeo. This is my go-to now these days. I've actually learned how to use it because before what I would do is do this and then all of this will pump out. But now I'll just see? And just like fluff it in. And that's it, you guys. This is all the products that I use to get that wow, she's naturally flawless type of look. Let me know if you guys use any of these products or what's your go-tos. I've been using all of these for a few months now and I've been really loving that there's a very minimal amount of stuff that I need. Still a kit. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.